right there on it.
Man, I was wondering why.
And he is big.
So I was wondering why I hadn't gotten eggs in 2 days, and this is why. A snake, an egg snatching snake in my chicken run. So on this particular day, I was in the garden in the evening, and I think that's the only reason I was able to catch this snake red-handed. I was extremely frightened of this thing, and I don't like snakes. They freak me out. But after doing some research, I'm fairly certain that this is just a rat snake, which is a non-venomous snake. Nonetheless, it's still creepy, and it did freak me out, and it was eating my chicken eggs. So after seeing the snake in here and getting kind of freaked out by it, I immediately knew that I needed to get this back chicken run under control. It's just the grass is way overgrown, and I don't want predators like this feeling free to come in here. Also, with the grass being as high as it is, my chickens have taken it upon themselves to start laying in these high grasses, which just isn't good. They need to be in their nesting boxes where they can lay their eggs in a safe area. So as a result of me witnessing this happening, I decided immediately that I need to get another pig to help root up and clear out this back area. And I did the very next day.
Well, okay, Eli. That's a pretty good sized watering hole for him. Let's see if he wants to get in there. Oh, look at him. We decided to get another pig. This one, he's not as cute as Baconstein 1.0, but he's still pretty cute. Really just to get the job done of rooting this area up. My plan is to get another pig back here with him, and actually 3. I'd like to have 3 pigs total to be able to work some of these overgrown areas that I'd like to plant in. But the biggest thing was that snake that we found the other day.
It's still back here. So this video is taken 4 days after we discovered the snake. And when I came out here, I saw its tail kind of hanging out of the tree there. And as I approached it with my camera, extended on the tripod, it coiled up inside of that tree. So like I was saying, the biggest thing is getting this pig. Hopefully it'll clear out this grassy area and these snakes won't feel so comfortable living back here. But there's also sad news. I lost 1 of 2 of my hens. This is what remains of Strawberry. She was my prolific laying hen, laid every single day throughout the winter, throughout the heat, always got eggs from her. I found her out here the day after I got the pig, but she didn't have any blood injuries on her. I know that the pig didn't injure her. I think the snake got her, because after we kind of trampled down the grass over there where we found that snake eating their eggs, the next day I found her laying right underneath this seed dispenser. So you can see right there's a little spot there where the hens were laying their eggs there for a couple of days. And very close proximity is where I found her dead.
She didn't have any blood marks on her or anything like that. I look kind of funky. I'm outside working in this heat, so that's why I wasn't putting the camera on me, but I feel like it's kind of weird me talking without the camera being on me. Anyways, so nothing like a bird or anything attacked her, because she would have had some blood on her. I really think it was that rat that got her. Maybe either just constricted her to death, maybe attempted to eat her whole. So I would like to get the snake out of here. My hope is that if this pig can clear out this area and get the grasses down, that the snakes will not be inclined to come here.
But all is not lost. We still have Millie. I've had her longer than I've had any of my other hens. So she's what's left of, I had 13 hens total at one point, and we're down to 1. So I'll be extremely sad if something happens to her. So now that we have this new pig, I'm back here doing some work, getting him all set up. I made that wallow there for him so he can wallow in the mud. This was going to be his watering bucket, but I quickly decided that that was not going to work. Why are you so itchy and scratchy? This guy tramples over everything. He's strong and he tramples over everything. So now I'm out here digging a hole to put a watering bucket in the ground, so hopefully he won't trample over it. He could use some coconut oil and a little bit of treatment. I'm trying to see what's going on with his face and sides over here. Definitely not as cute as my little gray and black spotted one, but you know, that was my first try at having a pig. And a lot of homesteading is just trial and error. We learned that pigs are strong and they can push doors open that you didn't think they could. All right, baby, I'm gonna go turn this water off.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Get that full. So, case in point, he really wants to knock this sucker over. That's why I'm out here sweating and working, digging this hole to hopefully get this where he can have water, clean water, and not knock his watering bucket over. Did you just take your shoes and socks off?
Yeah.
Let me see your feet. Oh, man.
That's okay. Am I taking my shirt off?
Yeah, you can take your shirt off.
I can't.
You need Mama to help you?
Yeah.
Oh, Eli. Are you gonna get down in there?
No. I get gone.
You get gone, you'll fall down in that hole and get gone.
Yes.
In case you have seen these little green fibers over here and were wondering what this is, this was from our first pig. I had this bench swing over here that I wasn't using from the chicken tractor that I made, and I thought, you know, he would use it as a bed, which he did, but he also tore up the cushions and completely gutted the seat cushion. And I've just left these fibers out here because I don't know, I thought maybe the birds would use them to make nests. Anyhow, I'm gonna dig this out. Good, except for that little back spot right back here. Okay, I'll see what's next. Where's that brush? There's your other red wheel. You found it.
Mama, we have to go see it.
Wow. Okay, so I think we'll just backfill this in, and that should stay. And hopefully we can get to it and have some clean water to drink. So I backfilled
the
Mama,
hole in.
what's the bricks?
Looks good.
On the bricks in here.
Got that all bit back filled. We're not going to put the bricks in the water. We're going to put it around. All right, so now we have a buried bucket for clean water for this pig. Hopefully he'll be able to get to it and drink out of it. And then we dug up a little wallow and filled that with water so that he can roll around in it. What do you think of that, pig?